Hello friends, day 130, and I had a great night last night with Rick, Fran, Jules and Nigel at the Wishing Well in Codrington, even though sadly they reneged on their promise to let me camp in their garden. But fortunately there was a field a couple of 100 yards away across the road, and I camped there and it was lovely. So today I've been on the Monarch way to start with, after breakfast in Nigel's van again, and then on to the Two Rivers way. I called in at the Wick United Reformed Church to ask to use their loo this morning, and they very kindly invited me to join them for breakfast. Once a month they have a pre-service breakfast, and I got there just the right time, so thank you very much. That was very kind of you, and they donated to Hope and Homes for Children as well. Thank you. The rest of the day has been very hot, but I've made sure I've drunk lots of water during the day, and I had a lovely chat with a couple walking out of Keynsham, and we chatted for a while and walked together until they went one way and I went another. And tonight I've ended up at Chew Magna. I was going to camp in the cemetery again, but it's full. A lot of people seem to have died in Chew Magna. So in the end I've come and got a room at the Bear and Swan and had dinner here as well. Let's have a look at some views from today, and I will see you on the trail.